Good morning. Welcome to Snake Eye Crypto channel. And today's top story and breaking news is Binance to launch MicroStrategy, Apple and Microsoft stock tokens. Binance has just announced that it will launch tokenized stock pairings for leading business intelligence firms like MicroStrategy, Apple and Microsoft. And the advantage of this kind of trading will be that this token will allow the users to trade the fractionalized units of the share tokens, which is a really great thing with minimum trade sizing set at 100 of a token. So minimum token size will be 0.01, and they are claiming that exchange assets in the assets with stock tokens are fully backed by a depository portfolio of underlying securities held by German financial service provider. Now, at present, these stock tokens are tradable against exchange-owned stablecoin Binance USD, BUSD. And also, this won't be available for traders in China and United States. However, in from entire world, people will be able to trade this tech stock. Now, up to now, see, this is the official announcement on the Binance website, and here they are saying that MicroStrategy will go live since 26 April 1:30 p.m. UTC. Apple will be on 28th April and Microsoft will be on 30th April. So this is the official announcement, and here you can see that we can trade if you are not living in United States or China, then you can already trade Coinbase and Tesla stock you can already trade. MicroStrategy is already listed, and Coinbase Global is also listed. So these three stock tokens you can already trade. The advantage is that you can trade at 0.01 size also. So that will be a biggest advantage of these tokens. Okay, so another breaking news is that Tesla has sold off a portion of its quarter one earnings of their BTC purchase. So we all know that Tesla has purchased 1.5 US billion worth of bitcoins in the first quarter of the year, and now it has reported that it has sold around 272 million of these tokens, which is basically a portion of this Bitcoin in their filings. Now, another news is that Grayscale Bitcoin Trust premium tanks to minus 19% as more competitors raise. So, basically, a few months ago, there was a premium as high as 10%, 20% on Grayscale Bitcoin Trust shares. However, in recent time, it has tanked to as low as minus 19%. And the reason they are saying is that a lot of management fee. So a major part of Grayscale losing its market dominance is due to its high maintenance fee, which is currently 2%. This is the insane amount of fund management fee to manage a Bitcoin trust. And if we compare it with Bitcoin ETFs in Canada, then it is just they are offering annual 1%, 0.75% and 0.40%. Obviously, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is not a Bitcoin ETF, but it is close to next best thing in United States, which is close to Bitcoin ETF. So you can see that all the other crypto ETFs in the Canada are charging much less fund management fees than Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and that is the reason why Grayscale Bitcoin Trust shares are tanked to minus 19% of the premium. Another story is that NFL players are also started taking interest into the crypto. So top NFL player prospect Trevor Lawrence signs a deal with Blockfolio and will receive the bonus in crypto. So NFL player Trevor will receive his all the bonus in cryptocurrency. Okay, and Lawrence choose to start his portfolio with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. So Bitcoin adoption is slowly rising, Another NFL player Sean Culkin to convert entire salary to Bitcoin. So what he is claiming is and this is his tweet, and here Sean Culkin says, I fully believe Bitcoin is the future of finance, and I wanted to prove that I have real skin in the game, not just trying to make a quick buck. I will be converting my entire 2021 NFL salary to Bitcoin. So this is a really big and huge news that Bitcoin adoption is rising, and top NFL players are also rising, end up taking their salaries into Bitcoin. And entire this is a phenomenal news. Another news is that Nigerian hotel becomes country's first to accept Bitcoin payments. So slowly around the world, many businesses have first Tesla has announced that it will start accepting payment into the Bitcoins, and now this Nigerian hotel has also announced that it has started Bitcoin payments, accepting Bitcoin payments. Also, JP Morgan, which was previously against the Bitcoin, is now preparing to offer an actively managed fund, Bitcoin fund for its rich clients. So that is what CoinDesk has reported. So let us go to the Coinbase. Now CoinDesk says JP Morgan to let clients invest in Bitcoin fund for first time. So this is what JP Morgan is now suddenly has changed his stance. A few years back, it was telling that Bitcoin is not worth it, but now it has started a Bitcoin investment service for its clients. Now, another token I want to tell you is a Polygon token, which jumps ahead of the race of layer 2 adoption picks up. So, if you don't know what is a Polygon token, then let me tell you that the Polygon token is let me tell you what is this Polygon token. This is a Matic token, and analysts say that this is a very much undervalued token. It has a 10 billion of fixed maximum supply, and what they claim is Polygon is the first well-structured, easy-to-use platform for Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development. Its core component is Polygon SDK, a modular flexible framework that supports building multiple types of application. So using Polygon, one can create optimistic roll-up chains, ZK roll-up chains, standalone chains, or any other kind of infra required to the developer. So what this means is Polygon effectively transforms Ethereum into a full-fledged multi-chain system, aka Internet of Blockchains. And this multi-chain system is akin to other ones such as Polkadot, Cosmos, Avalanche, with the advantages of Ethereum security. So you can see that this is a really groundbreaking thing. This is the only thing available right now in the market, this token, this system, blockchain, that can actually transform Bitcoin into a multi-chain platform, and sorry, not the Bitcoin but Ethereum into a multi-scaling platform, and make it fully scalable, and we can add as many chains as we want in the Ethereum with the help of Polygon. So what I suggest, I personally, this is not a financial advice, but I personally feel that Polygon token will basically improve, will increase very much in the coming future. So that is the reason why Polygon has jumped. So this is a really good token. So I personally suggest you to have a track on this token. So because this can increase in future very much. Now another news is virtual amnesia dance floor. So launches on Decentraland. So there is a club amnesia in Ibiza, and Ibiza is a party place. So what they have now launched is they have partnership with decentralized entertainment thing, Decentraland, and they have launched two basically two party plots, virtual party plots, or not the party plot but the dance floors. So name Amnesia Experience and Amnesia Hype on the this Decentraland. So you can see that on Monday, community-owned Metaverse Casino Decentral Games and veteran Ibiza club Amnesia announced their new partnership and launch of two virtual Amnesia dance floor. Also, they will generate the revenue by selling their tickets, NFTs, and advertising. So this will because of the pandemic, the virtual entertainment has rise. So this virtual dance floor basically will generate money by selling advertising, selling tickets, and also by selling NFTs in the future. So this shows that how potential is the DeFi and NFT space. Now, also there is a one news that the first DEX, decentralized exchange, to compensate gas fees starts offering sky high rewards for liquidity provider. So basically this is known as AmiSwap. So AmiSwap is a new kind of a crypto exchange platform, just like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, which will offer 100% Ethereum gas compensation. So here you can see that see, I can show you that what is this AmiSwap. See, this is a AmiSwap platform, and you can see that this is exactly same like see, you can see that this platform is exactly same like the Uniswap platform. Here you can provide liquidity or swap your tokens and invest. So what this is a new platform. So what they are offer, you can connect your wallet here. So what they are basically offering is rewards. So first reward is 100% Ethereum gas fee compensation. So this is a huge thing. Another is 30,000 ESW tokens for every $1 million DAI volume providers, and these are the certain benefits that it will give. So if someone is providing 100,000 worth of Ethereum and DAI token pair, then they will probably earn 125 DAI plus 19,530 ESW, which is total, if you count, then it is annually it is 107% yield. So this is a really good reward for providing liquidity on this new decentralized exchange, AmiSwap. Now another news is Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin donates around 500 600,000 US dollar, that is 100 Ether and Maker, to Indian COVID-19 relief fund. So this is also a good news. So he has donated 100 Ethereum and 100 Maker DAO. So that will be total value of around 600,000 or 650,000. So that is what he has donated. So these are today's news. If you have any good news about crypto space today, then kindly comment below. Thank you.